Hello, and welcome to part 2 of Raiden Productions How-To series. Tonight's topic is a mathematical card trick performed by myself, Dana Aaron. We're going to start off tonight explaining the basic principle behind this card trick. As you all know, there are 4 suits in a deck of cards, and each suit contains 13 cards. The number 13 is the main principle in which this mathematical card trick is based upon. To begin, we are going to place the deck of cards into individual piles as shown. The number of cards in each individual pile is determined by the base card. To start this, if our first card is an 8, we place additional cards starting with 8 to make the total 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For the rest of the piles, we will continue the process just shown until all piles are made and add up to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If the very last pile does not add up to 13, there are ways to troubleshoot to make it work. For example, if our pile had looked like this: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you could take the 8 in place of the 6, making it 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now say that 8 had not been in our pile as shown here. We could then go to another pile and find what number would work. Again, an 8. Take out the 8 from the middle. You always pull from the middle, not from either end. Pull from the middle, take a card, and replace it in there to make this work. Then it would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now that all piles have been set up, it's time to flip them over, and it's time for the second part of the trick. We will begin by eliminating all piles except 3, and to do this I will use my assistant.
I don't want you looking, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let's see here. I'm going to take away this one, and I don't know. Alright. Taking all the piles except for 3.
Be sure that if you have someone else pick up the piles, that they know not to alter the 3 remaining piles in any way. Now we take all of the discarded piles and make them into one and place it in your hand. We can now begin the trick. To begin, we discard 10 cards from your hand.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then we flip up the top card from the left and right pile.
And over here.
Be sure to not touch the middle pile.
Okay.
The number shown on each pile will be the number of cards we discard from your hand.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then count the cards that are remaining in your hand.
These cards right here.
Those cards right there.
All right. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards.
Now flip up the middle card.
You gotta be joking me. You gotta be joking.
The remaining cards in hand should be equivalent to the number flipped up on the remaining middle card. Count the cards in hand, then flip over the card in the middle to prove the wow factor of the trick. Thanks for choosing Raiden Productions. We'll see you next time on How To.